Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and I know you thought I forgot about you, but we're here with an awesome watch face to check out by PW. The name of this watch face is called PW89, and I'm telling you, PW definitely put his foot in this one. This guy continues to raise the bar at every single turn. But let's take a look at it. Now in the always on mode, you're gonna get a nice digital look. You're gonna get some more information as well in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, here's where it starts to look good. Now I like the blending of the analog theme look with the digital time. Looks super awesome. I thought PW definitely did a good job with this one. And you also get your date, you get your month on that side, and at the top, you get the day of the week, and down at the bottom, you get your battery info. But if I tap right here, I can go in and get my settings. I can go here, get my weather. At the top, I can get my calendar, set an event, and right here, my most important feature is going to be the music player, which I thought was awesome. Now, at the bottom, you are going to get your steps, heart rate, calories burned, but you're also going to be able to customize the color as well. Just double tap. And you have some unique colors, right? They look very nice. The video isn't going to do it justice, so I suggest you take a look at it closer in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, this one is worthy of a download. I thought PW definitely did a great job on this watch face. But at the end of the day, remember, it's all about you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.